Welcome to BioTRIZ Natural Innovation video channel. Today we will talk about some laws of living nature. There is a great interest in the question how living nature survives in harsh and uncertain conditions and prevents crisis. Banana's story and crisis management happen to be not so distant areas as you may think. Banana successfully applied at least two laws for its survival in tropical climate. Law number 7. It makes small things strong and mighty. It is where efficiency meets elegance. This is the law which is called nested packaging. What nested packaging can do? Layered structures are compact and potentially multifunctional. They allow a quick and controllable unpacking. Lots of large things can go into a small place. One thing hides inside or moves through another to be visible and invisible, present and absent at the same time. The banana is just a grass, yet it grows up to 10 meters high. The banana stem is as strong as a tree due to its nested structure. This law makes grass as strong as a tree. You may ask how business can benefit from this law. This law recommends some useful structural rules for crisis prevention and management, such as there are two vectors of hierarchy in the company. Functional, that reflects the hierarchy of roles, jobs, and another hierarchy is hierarchy of leadership. The company's structure should align with the functional hierarchy first of all, rather than managerial or hierarchy of leadership. This is the rule of the structure, of nested structure from living nature. Rapid unpacking and deployment of necessary functionality when needed is very important in crisis. Leadership during the crisis requires different approach and should be ready available within the company to swiftly replace peaceful leadership in routine conditions. Banana leaves needs to be large for efficient photosynthesis, but they grow in tropical areas with strong winds and very heavy rains. If leaves are smaller, they do not need to suffer from strong winds and heavy rainfall. This means that banana leaves should be large for efficient photosynthesis and very small to withstand the winds and rain. This is how banana uses the law number 10, the worse the better. This law is very powerful in problem-solving process. Anytime when you have a challenge, you can start from the question, what can make my challenge totally and utterly impossible? This helps to reveal hidden obstacles and solutions may appear very quick. Can we apply the law the worse the better for business? Indeed, it is possible. We just need to remember that every cloud has its silver line. Economic downturns or industry crises can lead to the consolidation of smaller businesses or weaken competitors. Crises can often drive innovation and the adoption of new technologies. Shifting consumer preferences or behaviors can create opportunities for business. Laws of living nature may help your business to flourish in any circumstances. All 55 laws of living nature, with examples, gained capabilities and rules how to use them, are in our book Living Things as Inventors, Biology for Innovation. This book will appear on Amazon very soon. But if you are interested in work which BioTRIZ is doing, please visit our website on TRIZ Guru and you will find lots of free resources there to enjoy. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.